Anchor Glass Container in Cliffwood, New Jersey is one of 18 Anchor plants operating within the continental U.S. The Cliffwood plant is located on approximately 50 acres of land. It is a two-tank operation. One of the tanks produces clear glass, or what we call flint glass, and the other produces brown glass, or what we call amber. Our administrative staff is made up of approximately 30 people, comprised of personnel, purchasing, and accounting. The glass manufacturing process begins with receiving raw materials, which is a responsibility of our batch and furnace department. We receive our raw materials in both by railway car and tractor trailer. Approximately 25 to 30% of our batch material is made up of recycled glass, or what we call cullet. We receive cullet in from both cullet vendors and also the local municipalities. The materials are automatically batched and sent by conveyor belts into the furnace. The batching system is monitored from a control room located by the furnaces. The major and minor ingredients are automatically weighed and checked for accuracy. The materials, which consist of basically sand, soda ash, feldspar, oregonite, and salt cake, are tracked from their individual bins until they are fed into the furnace by the charger. The batch is heated to approximately 2,900 degrees and then is gravity fed to the forming machine through the orifice ring. The glass gobs are then cut by shears and fed to the blank side of the machine where the glass is blown. This is called the blank side of the machine. The glass is then inverted to the mold side of the machine where it is finally blown into its final shape and then fed down the conveyor belt. The bottles are then inspected in the hot end by both the upkeep and the operator for both visual and dimensional type defects. The bottles are then fed into the leer where they are annealed to add strength to the bottles. The mold shop services the forming department, performing any minor alterations or revisions which are needed in order to produce a quality container. Machine repair supports the forming department by maintaining both variable equipment and the IS machines themselves. In the cold end, quality control ensures that the bottles are fit for customer use. The bottles are also electronically inspected before they are packaged for the customer. The carton department services our finished products department by supplying it with quality cartons. On our 16-ounce soda items, we also apply the labels. First solvent is applied to the bottle to aid in the application process. The label is then applied. heat shrunk to fit the contour of the bottle. In our quality control laboratory, we analyze the glass's composition and also the bottle's visual and dimensional characteristics. Quality assurance also ensures corporate standards and customer specifications are being adhered to. Statistical methods are also used in monitoring our processes. The Cliffwood plant produces approximately 2.5 million bottles per day. Roughly 1.5 million of those are labeled. After the product has been palletized, stretch wrap is applied to the unit to add stability. The finished product is then either stored in the warehouse or loaded directly onto a tractor trailer for shipment. We ship approximately 350 truckloads of glass per week to customers within a 300-mile radius of the Cliffwood plant. After the product has been loaded, it is then distributed to our customers' locations, both by common carrier and also using customer trucks. At Anchor Glass Container, we're dedicated to quality and service. We're Cliffwood proud.